In this video, we're diving into a crucial topic, muscle health, with a special focus on sarcopenia. This condition refers to the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength as we age, significantly impacting seniors. Understanding sarcopenia is vital for maintaining a high quality of life in older adults. As we age, declining muscle health can lead to decreased mobility, a higher risk of falls, and a loss of independence. That's why it's essential for seniors and their caregivers to be aware of this condition. Our goal today is to educate you about the realities of muscle loss, emphasizing that it's not an inevitable part of aging. Instead, it's a condition that can be managed and even prevented. By shedding light on sarcopenia, we aim to empower seniors to take proactive steps in preserving their strength and independence. Throughout this video, we'll provide actionable dietary solutions to help combat muscle deterioration. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in muscle health, and we'll explore specific foods and dietary strategies that can support muscle maintenance and growth. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the significance of sarcopenia, but also have practical tools to enhance your muscle health. Join us on this journey to better understand muscle health and discover effective ways to combat the effects of sarcopenia, ensuring that seniors can lead active, fulfilling lives well into their later years. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of older adults by prioritizing muscle health and independence. Sarcopenia is a medical term that describes the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, particularly significant after the age of 50. While this condition is a natural part of aging, it can profoundly affect muscle health in seniors, leading to decreased mobility, increased frailty, and a higher risk of falls and injuries. One of the most concerning aspects of sarcopenia is its silent nature. It often develops gradually without noticeable warning signs. Many seniors may not realize they are losing muscle until they experience a significant decline in their physical capabilities. This insidious progression makes it crucial for individuals and caregivers to recognize subtle symptoms associated with muscle loss, such as decreased endurance, fatigue during daily activities, or difficulty performing tasks that were once easy. By understanding these signs, seniors can take proactive measures to address muscle health before the effects of sarcopenia become more pronounced. Early recognition is key to implementing preventive strategies, which can include engaging in regular physical activity, particularly strength training, and ensuring a balanced diet rich in protein and essential nutrients. By acknowledging the reality of sarcopenia and its impact on muscle health, seniors can empower themselves to maintain their strength and independence. It's essential to foster awareness about this condition, as timely intervention can significantly improve quality of life and reduce the risks associated with muscle deterioration. Recognizing sarcopenia and its effects is vital for seniors to take preventive action and preserve their muscle health as they age, ultimately leading to a more active and fulfilling life. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in combating muscle loss, especially for seniors at risk of sarcopenia. Specific foods can significantly aid in rebuilding muscle mass and strength, making dietary choices essential for maintaining overall health. Protein-rich foods, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and nuts, are particularly important as they provide the building blocks necessary for muscle repair and growth. For seniors over 80, dietary adjustments become even more critical, as their bodies may require more protein to counteract the effects of aging and muscle loss. Research suggests that older adults should aim for higher protein intake, ideally spread throughout the day, to maximize muscle protein synthesis. This can be achieved by including protein-rich snacks and meals in their daily routine, ensuring they meet their nutritional needs. Moreover, it's essential to consider the role of other nutrients, such as vitamin D and calcium, which support muscle function and bone health. Introducing a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables can also provide antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and promote recovery. The concept of food as a powerful intervention against muscle deterioration cannot be overstated. By making informed dietary choices, seniors can actively combat the effects of sarcopenia and enhance their muscle health. This proactive approach to nutrition not only supports physical strength, but also contributes to overall well-being, enabling seniors to maintain their independence and quality of life. Now, let's introduce 9 exceptional foods that can help preserve muscle health, particularly for seniors facing the challenges of sarcopenia. These foods have been carefully selected based on their nutritional benefits, specifically their ability to support muscle maintenance, repair, and overall strength. The 9 foods we'll discuss are lean meats, fatty fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, legumes, nuts, quinoa, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Each of these foods offers unique advantages that contribute to muscle health, making them essential components of a balanced diet. For instance, lean meats and fatty fish are rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, known to reduce inflammation and promote muscle synthesis. Eggs provide high-quality protein and vital vitamins, while Greek yogurt offers a convenient source of protein along with probiotics for gut health. Legumes and nuts are excellent plant-based protein sources, packed with fiber and healthy fats, making them ideal for muscle preservation. Quinoa stands out as a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, while spinach is loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Lastly, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates and antioxidants, which are beneficial for energy and recovery. As we delve deeper into each of these foods, we'll explore their specific advantages and practical ways to incorporate them into daily meals. Brown rice is an excellent food choice for muscle preservation, offering numerous nutritional advantages over its white rice counterpart. One of the primary benefits of brown rice is its status as a whole grain, which means it retains the bran and germ layers that are often removed during the processing of white rice. This retention results in a higher nutrient profile, including increased levels of essential vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which are crucial for energy metabolism and muscle function. The complex carbohydrates found in brown rice play a significant role in supporting energy levels, making it an ideal food for those looking to maintain or build muscle. Unlike simple carbohydrates, which can lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, the complex carbohydrates in brown rice provide a steady release of energy. This sustained energy is vital for engaging in regular physical activity and strength training, both essential for preserving muscle mass, especially in seniors. Additionally, brown rice is rich in dietary fiber, which contributes to overall digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber aids in maintaining a healthy weight by promoting satiety, which can prevent overeating and support a balanced diet. Furthermore, the presence of antioxidants in brown rice helps combat oxidative stress, which can negatively impact muscle recovery and overall health. In summary, the benefits of brown rice for muscle preservation are multifaceted. Its superior nutritional profile, complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, and fiber content all contribute to enhanced muscle health. Incorporating brown rice into meals can be a simple yet effective strategy for seniors looking to support their muscle preservation efforts. Quinoa is an essential food for seniors' muscle health, primarily due to its status as a complete protein. Unlike many plant-based proteins, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids required for muscle repair and growth, making it an invaluable addition to the diets of older adults. This complete protein profile is particularly important for seniors, as maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly challenging with age. Another significant advantage of quinoa is its digestibility. It is easier to digest than many other grains, making it a suitable option for seniors who may have sensitive digestive systems. This digestibility allows for better nutrient absorption, ensuring that the body can effectively utilize the protein and other nutrients found in quinoa. Additionally, quinoa's versatility in meals makes it an appealing choice for seniors. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to stir-fries and breakfast bowls. Beyond its protein content, quinoa is also rich in additional nutrients that support overall wellness. It is a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Quinoa is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, all of which contribute to energy production and muscle function. Furthermore, its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, promoting better recovery and overall health. In summary, quinoa is a powerhouse food that supports seniors' muscle health through its complete protein content, digestibility, versatility, and additional nutrients, making it a vital component of a balanced diet. Walnuts are a powerhouse food that offers numerous benefits for muscle preservation, making them an excellent addition to the diets of seniors. One of the key components of walnuts is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These essential fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation can hinder muscle recovery and contribute to muscle loss, so incorporating walnuts into the diet can help mitigate these effects. In addition to their omega-3 content, walnuts are rich in antioxidants, which are vital for protecting muscle cells from oxidative stress. The antioxidants found in walnuts, such as polyphenols and vitamin E, help neutralize free radicals, thereby safeguarding muscle cells and supporting their integrity. This protective effect is particularly important for seniors, as they may be more susceptible to oxidative damage due to aging. Furthermore, walnuts contribute to overall muscle health by providing a combination of healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. The healthy fats in walnuts not only support heart health, but also provide a source of energy that is crucial for physical activity. The protein content in walnuts aids in muscle repair and growth, while their rich nutrient profile, including vitamins and minerals like magnesium and zinc, supports various bodily functions essential for maintaining muscle mass. In summary, the benefits of walnuts for muscle preservation are multifaceted. Their omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. Their antioxidant properties protect muscle cells, and their overall nutrient composition supports muscle health, making walnuts a valuable addition to a balanced diet aimed at preserving muscle mass. In this video, we've explored the critical role of nutrition in combating sarcopenia and preserving muscle health, particularly for seniors. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important for overall strength, mobility, and independence. We discussed various nutrient-dense foods that can help support muscle preservation, including lean proteins, fatty fish, quinoa, walnuts, blueberries, flax seeds, cottage cheese, and Greek yogurt. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, from high protein content and essential fatty acids to vital vitamins and minerals that contribute to muscle integrity and recovery. We encourage you to take action by incorporating these discussed foods into your daily diet. Whether it's adding a serving of Greek yogurt to your breakfast, enjoying a handful of walnuts as a snack, or including fatty fish in your weekly meals, these small changes can make a significant impact on your muscle health and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these nutrient-dense foods is a powerful tool in the fight against muscle loss and can help you maintain your strength and vitality as you age. If you found this information helpful, We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more health insights and tips on nutrition and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who may benefit from learning about the importance of nutrition in preserving muscle health. Together, we can empower ourselves and our loved ones to lead healthier, more active lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon.